Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can change your status on Discord. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now, let's begin. First, open your Chrome and now on the search bar, type Discord servers or login. Now open the first link appears on your screen and now open your Discord account. Once the account is opened, now select the profile icon given at bottom right corner of your screen. And now tap on set status option. Now select set a custom status. Now you can type here the status you want to set on Discord. You can add emojis and then tap on the save option given at top right corner of your screen. Now you can see that my status is changed and appearing beneath my name. So everyone, this is how you can change your status on Discord. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.